cars. So you got to back off your gas, leave more space. You'll be able to see more. And if you can do that, you'll feel more comfortable. If not, you'll feel more comfortable. No, just keep your space and drive. I'm trying to paint the picture of what you need to do. It seems like they're kind of in a hurry. And just keep eating. You know they're stealing our water from the Great Lakes because people think we have unlimited supplies of water. We do not. Good. Yes, his foot's in the middle now. Squeeze. Love that. Love that squeeze. Nina, it's kind of like your coach. We're waiting for you to master the back handspring, right? We're waiting for you to do the most difficult move. And just like I'm in the car and I have to let you guys kind of fail and struggle and kind of pick you back up with the steering wheel, let you eat. In a way, I have to kind of let you go. Because either you're going to learn this or you're going to be one of the millions of people who have anxiety, who are 17, 21, 25, 27, 35, who don't want to drive and who can't drive. Get us right at 50, big dog. So I try to tell you real life stories because I meet and come in contact with these type of people all the time. And I listen to their stories and I try to give them positive manifestation. Just like Peyton in your class. She had 0 drives. She didn't take the test, keep driving. So I don't know what's going to happen to her. She's got 2 jobs and taking college classes. I tell you this for truth, because all of you know it. So I don't lie and I don't cover up stuff. I speak truth. That's like Nina, if I was trying to do a backhand swing, you're like, you can't do this, bro. Your core is garbage. And my core is garbage. Keep driving. Quit hugging the right. So just like you guys are going into a new year of your life in school, you're going to have more work, you're going to meet more friends, you're going to meet people who care. Pick us up too slow. So I'm just trying to get Mo to drive at 50 so we can be more with the flow. And that's pretty much all I'll say. Everything else is okay. Good job, brother. You're about right. Good.